Did you know that it's possible to eat rice glucose-free? This is how I cook and eliminate starch from rice using my Salad Master 3-quart with Insect. Wash first the rice properly, add water, and make sure that the water is a bit over the top of the rice level. And turn on to medium heat, then click to low when you hear the clicks. The main advantage of removing the starch from rice is to produce a rice product that has a lower glycemic index. Removing the starch lowers the amount of carbohydrates and reduces the rate at which the rice is digested and absorbed, leading to a more gradual rise in blood sugar levels after consumption. This can be beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those looking to manage their blood sugar and insulin levels more effectively. Additionally, starch-free rice may be easier to digest for some people and can provide a more